Can you say your name first, please, and the position you hold at Glenmuir?
I am Marsha Smalling, principal of Glenmuir High School.
How are you feeling tonight?
Elated, but more so grateful because it has been a long journey. We had our lows, we had our ups, and the boys demonstrated resilience. We celebrate 65 years at Glenmuir, and the theme is Glenmuir at 65, creating waves, and the boys created waves today, and so we're just so grateful, and we thank God for the victory.
At full time, what was the expression? What did you do at full time? Did you jump? Did you lie on the ground? What did you do exactly?
I can't even say what I did. I just know that I had just praises to God for this. I was trusting Him throughout the game. I believed in the team. I knew they would have delivered, and I was just so grateful.
And school coming up, the Dakasa Cup finals. I know you guys are enjoying the moment now, which is quite good. Dakasa Cup final coming up next. And what would that mean to you, winning that one also?
It would have been our 4th Dakasa Cup title, and again in our 65th anniversary we want all the glory at Glenmuir High School, and we're just going to direct our energy now towards preparing for that competition. We continue to believe and we continue to commit whatever we do to God, and we know He's going to make them successful.
All right, thank you very much, Principal, and continue to do the work you're doing to build the future of Jamaica.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. All right.